Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your Xbox One and cities. Skylines are updated. This is critical because mod compatibility follows game patches. Once done, sign into the same Xbox Live account that owns the game so mod purchases and downloads link correctly. Make sure cloud saves are enabled and free space exists. Assets and mods share storage with saves. Now navigate to the Game Hub and open the Content Manager. This is where you will start importing community content and turning on mods for specific save files. You now use the Content Manager to browse available mods and assets. On Xbox One, that means the in-game browser of community content. Subscribe to individual items you want, paying attention to file size and any required dependencies because missing dependencies break behavior. Once subscribed, return to mods and enable items selectively. Enabling one mod at a time makes it easier to test stability. If a mod needs additional assets, download them before enabling. Adjust load order to avoid conflicts, placing utility mods earlier. You finish by loading a backup save so you can safely apply enabled mods. This prevents corrupting your main city because mod conflicts can break saves. Play for a short session and monitor performance, UI elements, and asset behavior. If you see crashes or heavy lag, disable the offending mod immediately. If problems continue, clear the local save cache on Xbox, redownload subscriptions, then re-enable mods one by one to isolate the cause. This method pinpoints incompatibilities and preserves your primary save file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.